Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the corners of a square with a side 12 is cut away to form an octagon with all sides equal. What is the length of a side of octagon so formed? Let us draw one circle whose length of side is given, which is 12, and it means the corners of this square makes the octagon. Suppose this is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Now let A, B, C, D is let ABCD be a square of side 12. We form a regular octagon by cutting all the four corners. Now let QR equals to RS equals to ST equals to TU equals to UV equals to VW equals to WP equals to PQ equals to X. And by symmetry, suppose the length of AW equals to AP equals to BQ equals to BR equals to CS equals to CT equals to DU equals to DV equals to A. Now, using Pythagoras theorem in triangle AWP, we can check AP square equals to, or WP square equals to AW square plus AP square, that is X square equals to, here WP square, X square equals to AW means A square plus A square. So X will be root 2A. Suppose this is 1. And AB equals to, we can observe here it is AP plus PQ plus QB. That is, this side of length is 12. So 12 equals to AP plus PQ plus QB means A plus X plus A. That is 2A plus X equals to 10. Now from 1, X equals to root 2A. So 2A plus root 2A equals to, as this is 12, so 2A plus root 2A equals to 12. If we take root 2A common, then there will be root 2 plus 1. So A will be 12 upon root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Now from this we can take X equals to, hence Therefore x equals to root 2 into 12 upon root 2 into root 2 plus 1. That is x equals to 12 upon root 2 plus 1. Hence, the length of octagon so formed, length of side of octagon so formed is 12 upon root 2 plus 1 or 1 plus root 2, which is our option D.